Alrighty, welcome to this YouTube video from me, Toxtech. So I did an earlier video of Windows 11 right after it was announced. Well, not announced. I mean leaked, freaking leaked, right? And then there was rumors of the actual file going around, the ISO. So I got a hold of it, made a video about it, and it was it went great. However, a lot of people weren't able to install it on their actual computers, and I never recommended actually doing that because that's sketchy. I mean, that's just sketch. You download an ISO file from Twitter and make that your OS. Good luck. So, but anyhow, today we can now finally get an official build of Windows 11 through Microsoft themselves. But to do so, you're going to have to opt into the Windows Insider program. So, really easy. I'll show you that real quick. But again, if you don't want to opt into this program, you can still have that option with the ISO file, and that video will be popping up right about now somewhere. And yeah, so I'm on the Windows Insider build here, and I love it personally. Everyone's got their opinions, but I love it. There is some small issues to be aware of that you may or may not have. Who knows? Could just be my computer. Maybe it's not. But like for the start menu, you see how I'm on dark mode, so this is all glitchy. But if you click a button, it comes right back, the way it's supposed to look. But it looks phenomenal. I love it. I love the center taskbar. The settings look wonderful. Another great thing is the personalization. Tons more options. A lot more control over the way your whole system looks. So that's cool. And yeah, so to get into the Windows Insider program, don't mind my keyboard or any of this noise. Past couple videos I haven't been able to use a microphone, so finally am, but I'm moving, so it might be echoey, noisy, and all that crap. So Windows Insider program, just Google it or insider.windows.com, and you're gonna have to opt into this program, sign in or with your Microsoft account or register, and that's real easy. You can do that there on their website. And then from there, in your Windows settings, go to Windows Updates, and you'll find an option somewhere at the bottom, Windows Insider Program. This is where you're going to go into once you've opted in, and you're going to have to choose your channel. Now, this is important. The only channel that has Windows 11 is the dev channel. And real quick, before we go any further, I forgot to warn, yeah, you like that exclamation point thing, I forgot to warn, once you're in the dev channel, there is no way out. The only way out from once opting into the dev channel is to have a clean install of Windows. So I mean fresh install, they gotta redo it all. So once you opt in, that's it. So before we get any further and actually updating your computer, make sure you're aware of that. I did it anyway because whatever, if things go so south, installing a fresh Windows install is never that bad. I actually like doing it every once in a while, once a year, give my PC a little refresh, clean it out. So just a heads up, that once you're in, you are not getting out without a clean install of Windows. So it even says here there'll be some rough edges and low stability. I haven't had any stability issues, just these weird graphical mishaps. Like I said, just a couple clicks will fix it sometimes. But yeah, overall, I'm in love with it. I love the rounded corners. The dark mode on this one, oh man, on Windows 11 is done so much better. Windows 10 dark mode wasn't a dark mode. That was pitch black mode, dude. It was horrific. Absolutely hated the dark mode on Windows 10, and they nailed it on this one. So I really love it. And again, it's only in the dev channel, so you're going to select the dev channel and then go to your Windows Update, check for updates button. I don't even know where it is anymore. Apparently I got an update. So yeah, and that's it. You're going to check for updates, and then it's going to download and it's going to install. You'll see Windows 11 Insider Preview, the first official build. You can get it now. Anyone can do this. Completely free program. And it's from Microsoft themselves. So, you know, it's definitely better than downloading an ISO file from Twitter and installing that as your main operating system. I mean, good luck. But if you want to do that, go ahead. It's on this other video that's somewhere on here. You can click, or I'll put it in the description. I'll also put the Windows Insider program link in the description. You can also click it there. So, it's really easy to get this now. You know, last time, you know, it was all mounting the ISO and all this crap. So now it's super easy. Step 1, opt into Windows Insider. Step 2, select Dev Channel. Step 3, check for updates and download it, and then your computer's going to take care of the rest. And you're going to get this beautiful, nice system. And I mean, check, that's really cool. Like notifications now come up right here, right above the calendar. I mean, it looks a whole lot like a phone or a tablet. Really, kind of weird, hard to get used to right now. But I mean, all your options are still there. You know, if you right-click things. So, of course, always good. So, with that, that's it. I mean, this is a short, sweet video. Really simple idea to get Windows 11. And have fun with it. I mean, it's wonderful. I love it. I love how it works. Oh, and again, the Microsoft Store. You know, let's see if this snaps itself back here. Yep, there we go. So Microsoft Store is, this is, you know, the thing everyone was talking about. You can see it says Microsoft Store preview on the top left here. Pretty neat. They're trying to make, like, instead of you going to individual websites and downloading, they want everything to be in the Microsoft Store. You know, I'm sure they have their reasons. A little glitchy in some areas, I think. I mean, it doesn't look too right. Probably should be a banner here. Oh, apparently that's Netflix. Okay, so, yeah, I mean, right now it kind of looks a little sus. Down here is alright. Coming along. So this app has been pretty glitchy for me. But overall it's pretty cool. Pretty stupid way to install apps though. Like for example, you search Twitter, right? Get Twitter. I mean, it's literally just like, I mean, nice button here, right? This is the kind of stuff you get with the dev channel builds. But where was I headed with that? Oh yeah, so like, I mean, the apps are absolutely stupid. Like I could instead of having like I guess it's just to have a dedicated button, you know, it's just a browser within a window. It's really weird, but you know, to each their own. I'm not quite a fan of the apps, but now I'm just rambling, so screw that. Let's get back to it. That's it actually. So enjoy your Windows 11. That was it. I mean, I don't have like a tutorial to show you how to do it because it's really simple. I can just tell you. So go ahead and do that and get Windows 11. Tell me what you think. And this was fun.